Hello and welcome to Daily Current Affairs by Neo IAS. Today is 7th September 2019 and the topic we are going to discuss is light compact aircraft, then Pradhanmantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, Smart City Mission, Mega Food Park Scheme, Map Aided Program and the Prelims Question Revision Series. So coming to the first topic, that's a light compact aircraft LCA. This is in news because there's a pricing issue happening for the light compact aircraft 83 that is MK1A to be manufactured by HAL. HAL is Hindustan Aeronautical Limited. So this has been finalized by Ministry of Defense. So there is a price issue happening. Okay, so this is actually a single seat aircraft. It is single engine supersonic and it has advanced technology. It is very lightweight. It can be used in all weathers. Then it can play multiple roles also. So it's like an air superiority fighter designed for air-to-air combat, or it can be either used for air-to-ground combat and air-to-sea combat roles as well. So that's why it has a multi-role combat. Okay, so LCA Tejas, it is actually it was a part of LCA program of India and it began in 1983. So that was to replace the MiG-21 fighters. So Tejas, it is like the first advanced fly-by-wire fighter aircraft designed, developed and manufactured in India. So LCA together with all its variant, it is the smallest and lightest multi-role supersonic fighter aircraft of its class. So according to this, the engine, it will be like the compound delta wing. It will be tailless aircraft. It is designed and developed by HAL along with ADA. So Indian Air Force and Indian Navy will be the primary partners, the principal partners, because this is for the needs of Indian Air Force and Indian Navy. Okay. The next topic is Pradhanmantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, PMKVY. Okay, so this is in news because the Skill Development Center in West Bengal, they enrolled 6 females in the plumbing course, which was always taken up by the men, the male candidates. Now 6 females have been enrolled in the plumbing course. That is why it is in news. So Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana is basically under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. So this is as a part of National Skill Development Corporation. It's a flagship scheme of that particular ministry, and the main objective is to provide certificates. It's a certification scheme. So it will actually give certification to the Indian youth to take up industry relevant skill training. Okay, so that can attain them a better livelihood option. Okay, so individuals with prior learning experience and skill who already know the job, they will be assessed on how far they know it and they will be certified under recognition of prior learning, RPL. So what are the components of the scheme? First one, short-term training, special projects, recognition of prior learning, that if you already learned it, you just have to prove it that you know that. Then Kaushal and Rozgar Mela, placement assistance is there, continuous monitoring is happening, and the standard branding and communication. These are the key components of the scheme. Okay. Coming to the next topic, Smart Cities Mission. So this is a news because Smart City Mission along with Invest India and the Office of Principal Scientific Advisor, they organized Smart City Mission Technology Showcase that happened in Pune. Okay, so what is the main aim is that one thing they plan for traffic management, transport and mobility and the pollution management. One thing is that. Then they are concentrating on water sanitation and solid waste management. Then the other thing they are concentrating is safety, surveillance and security. Then finally social. Social means health, then citizen engagement, education, everything. So why they are taking all this to consideration is because the cities, they accommodate more than like 31% of the India's current population, who contribute to around 63% of GDP. Okay, so we need actually a good plan, a good development plan for the physical, institutional, social and economic infrastructure of our cities, and they can also help us improve the quality of life, okay, and attract more people in investment. Okay, people and investment. So, Smart City Mission is basically a flagship program under the Ministry of Urban Development in order to, drive economic growth and improve the quality of life of people. How they will harness new technology and they'll also enable local development. Okay, so that is for the betterment of the citizens living in the cities. So it will actually cover 100 cities, and the time period is till 2020. Okay, so it's a centrally sponsored scheme. So the center proposes to provide the financial support of around 100 crore per city. Okay, so an equal amount will be given, it should be taken by the state government as well. Okay, so now the next topic is mega food park scheme. So why this is in news? Because the Union Minister of Food Processing Industry, he inaugurated a mega food park in Telangana. Already there are many food parks in the country. Now one has been the first one to be inaugurated in Telangana. So the park will provide direct and indirect employment to around 50,000 youth, and it is going to benefit farmers also. Around 1 lakh farmers are benefited by mega food park scheme, and it will facilitate doubling farmers income. The country's aim to double farmers income will be linked with the mega food park scheme. So the doubling farmers income is to project for 2022 to attain by 2022. So this is a mega project planned by government in the field of agriculture. Okay, so mega food park scheme, it is again implemented, in order to give a major boost to the food processing industry. What they'll do is the already harnessed products will be value added, and the food waste will also be reduced at each stage. So they will be focusing on perishables. Okay, and they'll also try to create this modern infrastructure facilities. They will concentrate on everything from farm to market. Everything, all the forward and backward linkages will be done in a cluster based approach. And under the scheme, actually the government, they will provide financial assistance up to 50 crore per mega food park project. The remaining amount should be taken by the state government, and it is implemented by a special purpose vehicle especially designed for this, which is a body corporate registered under Companies Act. Okay. So next is map aided program. We are continuing with the tiger reserves in the country. So we have completed the tiger reserves in Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. So today I am starting with Andhra Pradesh. So we are dealing with Nagarjuna Sagar Sri Shailam Tiger Reserve. So this is the largest tiger reserve in India. So it is in the 5 major districts of Andhra Pradesh: Kurnool, then Prakasham, Guntur, Nalkonda and Mahbub Nagar. These are the 5 districts covered under tiger reserve, and there are many temples and reservoirs also which are very attractive to pilgrims and tourists. So basically it is a part of Nallamala Hills. Nallamala Hills is a part of Eastern Ghats. Okay, and this was earlier notified as a tiger reserve. It's as a sanctuary in 1978, and it became a tiger reserve in 1983. Later on, it was renamed also. It was renamed as Rajiv Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary in 1992. Okay. So the next is previous year question revision series. I have given you a question yesterday, so I'll give you the answer for that first. So they are asking about the formation of African and Eurasian desert belt. Why is it happening? That is the question. So what is the main reason? So the first option they have given is it is located in the subtropical high pressure belt. This is true. Okay. And the second option they are saying is it is under the influence of warm ocean current. No, it is under the influence of cold ocean current. So the answer should be 1 only, that is A. Okay. So today's question you need to work out is the jet aircrafts fly very easily and smoothly in the lower stratosphere. So what could be the appropriate explanation? There are no clouds or water vapor in the lower stratosphere. There are no vertical wind in the lower stratosphere. So work out this question today. I'll give you the answer tomorrow. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the session. Keep studying, work hard. So good night. Thank you.